Well, now we come to it. Dinner has been eaten, the presents all unwrapped, and one last thing before we take our Christmas nap, and that is evening drinks. To finish up the Christmas spectacular, we're going to make a Brandy Alexander. So, to a ice-filled shaker, you're going to want to add 1 ounce of creme de coco. It's a chocolate-flavored liqueur. Any decent-sized liquor store will have it. If you live across the pond, you might be shit out of luck and pretty much fucked. 1 ounce of heavy cream. And also 1.5 ounces of your favorite brandy or cognac. Put it in the shaker and shake the ever-loving hell out of it. And then just get yourself a cocktail glass and pour the drink in. And that's really it. Brandy Alexander. Done. And I thank you for watching the 2023 Christmas Spectacular. And hopefully you leave a like, share, and subscribe. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good goddamn night.